In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match income transactions in QuickBooks Online bank feeds. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your bank deposits to the right sales activity so your reports stay accurate and you avoid duplicate income. Start by opening your bank feeds. In QuickBooks Online, go to Banking, choose the bank account you want to work with, and make sure you're on the For Review tab. This is where new bank feed items land before they're added to your books. Next, locate the income you want to process. Look for a deposit or money in transaction that matches funds you received. Click the line to expand it so you can see the details QuickBooks has pulled in from your bank. Now match the deposit to what already exists in QuickBooks. Click Match. QuickBooks will suggest possible matches based on amount, date, and customer. Choose the correct source. This could be an invoice that was paid, a sales receipt, or a receive payment entry. Before you confirm, double check that the amount, the customer, and the date make sense. When everything lines up, click Match. The transaction moves to Reviewed, and you've prevented duplicate income from being created. If you don't see an automatic suggestion, use a manual search. Click Find Match, set a date range that includes when you expect the payment to have been recorded, and filter by amount or transaction type if needed. Select the correct transaction and click Match. It's common for timing or batching to affect how deposits appear. If one bank deposit covers multiple invoices, click Find Match and select all the related invoices so their combined total equals the deposit. When the sum matches perfectly, click Match. If one invoice was paid in multiple deposits, match each individual bank deposit separately as it arrives. QuickBooks will keep the remaining balance open until the invoice is fully paid. If the income was never recorded in QuickBooks with an invoice or sales receipt, use Add instead of Match. Click Add, choose the correct income account, such as sales income, and select a customer if you want that revenue to appear on customer reports. Save your work. Only use Add when no invoice exists or you risk double counting. Finally, verify the result. Go to Transactions, then Reviewed, open the matched item, and confirm it links to the right invoice or sales receipt, hits the correct income account, and shows the correct customer. If something's off, you can undo and fix the match right here. That's it. Repeat for each deposit to keep your books clean and accurate.